Hi, Shirley. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Shirley.
Shirley.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
But happy birthday, Shirley.
I think it was like the second time I went to Nan's house, her apartment, and I saw these like chocolates. And I didn't ask, but she just kind of knew I wanted one. She asked, and did you want one? And I said yes, and she said take two, and I took two because it was amazing. And she was just so kind, and she was just, every time I come and see her and visit her, she's always like positive and never negative, and like always going up, never going down, always on the move. She can't get her down. She's always up there.
So when I was younger, I had a lot of facial hair on my face when I was in college. And my mom, I called my mom and I was like, Mom, I need to get laser hair removal for my face because it's so embarrassing. Please pay for it. And she was like, we're already paying for your college. We're paying for your room. She's like, just shave it off. We'll deal with that later. So I called my grandmother and I said, Nan, please, it's going to cost $1,000 and I need this laser hair removal for my face. And she said, absolutely, I will pay for it for you. And so today I'm buying everyone's lunch today. I'm paying for the whole party to replace all the money that you paid for me for over the years. And I love you so much. You're so important to me. You are everything I've ever wanted in a grandmother. I love you.